Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious beef bone broth on your stove. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 3 to 4 pounds of beef bones, a few carrots, celery stalks, and an onion. Don't forget some fresh herbs like parsley and a bay leaf, plus a teaspoon of black peppercorns. A large stock pot, at least 8 quarts, is essential for this recipe. Next, we'll prepare the bones. Roasting them first adds a wonderful depth of flavor to your broth. Place your beef bones on a baking sheet and roast them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Once roasted, transfer the bones and your chopped vegetables into your large stock pot. Then, cover everything with cold water, ensuring it's about 1 inch above the ingredients. Now for the magic, the long simmer. Bring your pot to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a very low simmer. You'll want to let this cook for a minimum of 12 hours and up to 24 hours for maximum nutrient extraction. Throughout this process, make sure to skim off any foam or impurities that float to the top. This keeps your broth clear and clean. Finally, it's time to finish your beautiful bone broth. Once it is simmered for the desired time, carefully strain the entire pot through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl or container. Discard the solids. Let the broth cool completely at room temperature before transferring it to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for about 5 days, or you can freeze it for several months.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.